Fáilte go Áras Chrónáin Ionad Cultúir. We are a community-based, charitable, non-for-profit social enterprise. Áras Chrónáin is Dublin's premier Irish cultural centre, situated in a wonderful Georgian house on 3 acres of land right in the heart of Clondalkin village in South Dublin County. Our core aim is the promotion of the Irish language and Ghaeilge, keeping the Irish language alive as an active means of communication today, as well as promoting all aspects of our culture and our heritage. We do this through the wide range of facilities and services we provide. We offer evening classes in the Irish language, traditional Irish music classes in a wide range of instruments from banjo, bodhrán, fidil, flute, concertina and much more for both adults and children. We also have classes in Irish step dancing and adult set dancing. At Áras Chrónáin we host traditional Irish music sessions every Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday evenings throughout the whole year, where members and visitors are always very welcome. We have a programme of events each year, including a wide range of concerts, masterclasses, recitals and drama. At Áras Chrónáin we have over 30 years' experience of engaging and working in partnership with individuals, community groups, schools, businesses, local authority and state agencies through providing excellent meeting, training and event space. At Áras Chrónáin we have state-of-the-art recording studio and video production facilities. We have a fantastic history of working on joint projects with various organisations, enhancing their products and adding to the wonderful range of services and activities available to the community of Clondalkin and South Dublin County. We are very proud of our many partnership projects, in particular with South Dublin County Council, the Arts, Libraries and Community Departments, state agencies, as well as local businesses, on both a local, national and international level. At Áras Chrónáin we are always open to new ideas and helping you achieve them. We look forward to welcoming you and joining you on the next step of your creative journey with Áras Chrónáin. For further information, visit our website áraschrónáin.ie or call in and visit us. Big Fáilte Road.